What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is the 9th day of our Clickbank Make Money Online Challenge using 100% free traffic, and today I'm going to be showing you what has been happening to the accounts. I'm going to show you guys the different social media accounts, and also we're going to see if you actually make any money or if you actually got any traffic on this 9th day of promoting these offers on Clickbank. And we're going to go and I'm going to go into the accounts and I'm going to show you if you actually got any traffic from there. So this is just going to be a quick video because tomorrow I'm going to show you a lot more other things I'm going to have started creating. So I've created a lot more other Pinterest accounts, and I'm going to show you guys tomorrow those different accounts so that you can see exactly what I'm doing on those different accounts. So today is the 9th day of the challenge, and the goal of this challenge is to make money by the 30th day of this 30-day challenge using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch. So you can go and follow what I'm doing in this challenge from here, and hopefully by the end of these 30 days we're going to make money. That is our goal, to make money by the end of these 30 days using 100% free traffic using different social media channels. And so if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos and also other challenges after this 30-day challenge of me trying to make money on Clickbank using paid methods and different free traffic methods. So I'm going to be doing a lot more challenges on this channel after this 30 days challenge, and hopefully we're going to go and make money by the end of this 30-day challenge from here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys the account. So let me show you guys. For example, this is a TikTok account that we're using to go and promote our offer from here. So let me just fix this. So what I'm doing is that I've now done a lot more things different from yesterday. So what I'm doing is that I'm just creating a lot more content and posting a lot more content from here and trying to drive as much people as possible to my affiliate offer. So that's the goal. The goal is to get as much traffic as possible to send people back to our affiliate offer. And this is my TikTok account from here. So if it's going to show, so you can see from here I'm still posting a lot of different styles of contents from here. I'm getting some 4 views, you can see 4 views, 6 views, 7 views, some of them are getting 500 views, etc. So what I'm doing from here is I'm just posting consistent contents as I showed you guys in the last video. And all you're going to post consistent content as well on your TikTok account. And you can see from here, anybody click from here, they're going to go back to our affiliate offer. So you can see I'm not getting a lot of views, but as I show you guys in the other videos, I'm always getting some clicks from these different accounts. So to go and make your first sale on Clickbank using 100% free traffic, you just need one person that is going to go and buy your affiliate offer. So we're going to try to drive as much traffic as possible using 100% free traffic to our affiliate offer. And this is our TikTok page. I'm going to be posting a lot more content on this page as well so that we can go and get as much traffic as possible. Because if you're going to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic, to be realistic, you're going to take a lot more time, you're going to do a lot of work, and that's why I'm going to try to make money with that for free in this 30 days challenge. So I'll show you guys from here. Let me show you guys, for example, I'm just going to show you guys the Instagram accounts from here. As you can see, I'm still posting different styles of content from here. Some of them are getting views, some of them are not getting a lot of views, but we're already getting clicks from these accounts right here. So that is the important thing. The main goal is to be getting clicks from these social media accounts and sending people back to our affiliate offer. And so far, these accounts right here, we are already getting clicks from these Instagram accounts. As I showed you guys in the last videos, we are already getting traffic from these Instagram accounts, Pinterest accounts, and also their TikTok accounts. So you just need just one person to go and buy your offer for you to make your first sale on Clickbank for free. So you can see I'm posting different styles of contents from here, posting stories. I'll go to the second account from here. You can see I'm still posting different styles of content. We have not gotten any viral video yet, but you can see that we are still getting some clicks already on our Clickbank accounts, and that is what is very important. And by the time that we get, for example, a viral video from here, or we get a lot, that is going to help us to get a lot more followers, that's when we can go and make a lot more money faster. So if you go, for example, to the Pinterest accounts right here, you can see the Pinterest accounts analytics. So this is the first account that we created. You can see from here it's still getting impressions. You can see 10 engagement, 1 click is showing from here, but we have gotten a lot more clicks than 1 from this account, so it's going to take some time for this data to be updated. So as I showed you guys in the last video, I'm just posting consistent content on this particular page. I'm posting, for example, weight loss before and after videos on this particular account, and we're already getting free traffic and getting clicks from this particular account right here. So if you go to the other accounts right here, let me show you guys the other accounts. You can see from here, you can see the overview. It's showing that we are getting 50 impressions and 1 engagement. But we're actually getting a lot more impressions than this. Is that this analytics is going to take some more time for it to be updated. As I showed you guys in the last video, we are posting, for example, workout videos on this account. We're posting workout videos on this account, so people that are interested in losing weight, for example, through exercise, they are going to come to this account, and they're also going to see our option of our offer that they can go and click and buy our offer. So you can see this is a call to action. Join our weight loss challenge to start your own weight loss journey with 100% success. Link below. Once I click on this link, that is it. It's going to take them straight back to our landing page, and from this landing page, once I click from here, they are going to be presented with our affiliate offer, and with the buy from there, that's how we're going to make some money. So what I'm going to do from here now is that I'm just going to go back to our Clickbank accounts, and we're going to see if we actually make any money or if we actually got any traffic from these different accounts right here. So let me go back to the Clickbank. So from here, let me go back to my accounts from here, and let's click on the dashboard and see our stats. If we actually made any money. As you can see from here, we have not made any money, but the good thing about this right now is that we have created social media accounts where we are going to be getting free traffic as long as we are going to be posting consistently and growing those different social media accounts. Once you grow the social media accounts, for example, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and give, for example, 10,000, 5,000 followers plus on those different social media accounts, whenever you post content and promote your offer, you're going to get a lot more people that are going to click and go back to your affiliate offer, and that is going to be 100% free without you having to spend any money at all. So let's go back to our reporting and let's check our stats from here. So you can see from here, today we actually got we got right here 2 clicks, we got 3 clicks from here. I can see I've started by tracking ID from here, so you can see that you can see this is a seller, so this is the product we're promoting. We are promoting Mitolin. I can see we got 2 clicks today from our 2 Instagram accounts, and from Pinterest you can see that we got 1 click from here. So that is very important. The main goal for us is to drive as much traffic as possible. So as I told you guys, I'm going to show you guys new accounts that are created today, and those are new Pinterest accounts that are going to be sending traffic to this affiliate offer. I'm going to show you guys so you can go and verify those accounts and see exactly what I'm doing on those different Pinterest accounts, and this is all using 100% free traffic without having to spend any money on traffic. So we'll go, for example, to yesterday, and let's see how much traffic we got yesterday. So you can see that yesterday we got 4. You can see from here we got 5 clicks. We got 4 clicks from our 2 Instagram accounts, and also we got another 1 click from our Pinterest accounts. So that is very important because it means that people are going to our different Pinterest accounts and Instagram accounts, and they're clicking and going over to our affiliate offer, and it's just a matter of time for us to make our first sale, because we just need just 1 person to go and buy that offer, and that is how we are going to make our first sale on this account from here. So the important part about this right now is that we're getting consistent traffic, so we're going to try to get as much clicks as possible and get for at least 10 plus clicks every single day, so that we can go and make our first sale as soon as possible. So that's guys, so that's just the updates on the accounts, and tomorrow I'm going to show you guys a lot more other things I'm doing, so that we're going to try to make this money right here using 100% free traffic in these 30 days. So that's it guys, subscribe to this channel and leave a like as well on this video if you like this video, and that is it. I'm going to see you in the next video.